Ani, subscribe to Defense Reports, your go-to source for timely, in-depth military and defense reports. I'm out. Technology, the politics behind Europe's huge pivot, and why this specific deal triggered such a high-stakes response from the Kremlin.
It's a critical snapshot. It really shows strategically this is huge. It's built on the GTK boxer-wheeled APC.
So it's mobile, very mobile.
Incredibly mobile. It's an 8x8 configuration. That boxer chassis gives it the ability to deploy rapidly, which is, absolutely essential in the kind of fight we're seeing in Ukraine. Much faster than the older tracked systems.
And the turret system, that's where the real revolution is.
SLM is your medium-range system for cruise missiles, for aircraft. It protects cities. The SLS is short-range for point
rhetoric fits a broader pattern of Russian hybrid actions against Europe?
It absolutely does. We see evidence of it elsewhere. We'll look at the report of contaminated Azerbaijani oil that was headed for a Romanian refinery. High levels of chlorine.
Sabotage.
It's hard to prove direct attribution, but it fits the pattern perfectly. Actions designed to destabilize Europe's critical energy supply chains. It's a kind of non trading partner, its largest investor, and projects like Nord Stream were heavily criticized for undermining a common European energy policy.
So, the shift hasn't been completely smooth sailing internally, has it? The political will is there, but there's friction.
And that's a crucial point. The military deliveries are solid, but you have internal Sustaining this level of commitment requires constant political effort at home.
Let's pivot back.
At a huge cost in lives and equipment, they're betting they can just outlast the West.
And to do that, they have to counter Ukraine's technological edge from Western.
Guide the drone, which can be jammed, they use a thin fiber optic cable that spools out behind it.
Which means it's immune to jamming.
Completely impervious to traditional EW. It's the first time we've seen this used in combat, and it shows Russia is adapting, but it's also an expensive, high-risk solution to a persistent problem.
So they're innovating, but The latest in military strategy, global defense, and advanced weaponry. Subscribe to Defense Reports, your go-to source for timely, in-depth military and defense reports. We'll catch you next time.